Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys, phone location setting guys. How can we disable it? Friends, you want to disable guys your Samsung phone guys phone location settings. So friend, how can you disable? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. So friends, now let's see guys how can we disable guys phone location setting in Samsung phone device guys. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting and we will scroll it and we will click on this phone location setting guys. Tap on phone location guys. You don't want to use guys, you want to disable guys your phone location setting guys. We can disable from here. After disable guys, this setting will remove guys, we cannot use it. So like that guys, we can disable guys Samsung phone location. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Are your friends who have understood how to disable Samsung phone locations? Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.